guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing a very fun video. I've been holding off on organizing this closet, and I think every crafter out there can understand that we all have a closet like this, like all of us, okay? Where you just throw stuff that doesn't look pretty, and you know that you have extras of, you don't know what to do with it, and you just keep throwing it in there over the years, and then it ends up looking like this. So that's what we have going on right here. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. And a lot of the stuff that I used is pretty cheap. I really wanted to stay on budget with this closet, just so that a lot of people that, you know, you want to do something to your craft closet and you don't want to spend a lot of money on it, you can get a lot of ideas. I bought a lot of the stuff from Dollar Tree, Marshalls, and Walmart, but it was like very cheap, okay guys? So I hope you like this video. Also, don't forget to turn on the notifications bell somewhere down here. You'll see it. Don't forget to do that. This way you will be notified every time I upload a new video. So yeah, thank you so much guys, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so let's start. I'm gonna just kind of fast forward this video because I don't think you want to sit down and, you know, watch me getting all this stuff out for like hours.
Okay guys?
Then stay tuned so I can show you more into detail of what I have in this closet, okay guys? Alright, so we're gonna start. I will be, in the future, of course, I will be putting like the name of the business up here. Not sure how, like what color and all that, so I just left it like that for now. But like I said, these bins, I got them at Walmart, and they were on the clearance section for $2 each. So that's what I have right there. In that little corner over there, I have like receipts, stuff for like to do my taxes and stuff. But what's in these boxes, they're pretty high, so I'm not even gonna try and bring them down. But it's just inventory for like the holidays, like Christmas, Thanksgiving, Halloween, all that, okay? And right here, this white bins, I will be labeling them just for now I want to see like how this works out, and then I'll label everything. But for now, what I have in every single one of them, it's just basically stuff to package my orders. That's it. This I wanted all the stuff for like packaging and stuff to stay in one place instead of like all over the craft room. And you know, I know where everything's at. I know if I need to restock something. So that's pretty cool. I like this idea. I'm thinking of keeping it like this. Right here, these are some art chalks, I believe. I've had those for years, guys, and a teacher gave it to me, an art teacher gave it to me. She really believed that one day I would either be an art teacher or something to do with art. She loved my paintings, drawings, everything. As a matter of fact, every single art teacher that I've had in every like school that I've been in, they love my paintings and drawings, and they were always so supportive, and they always encouraged me, you know. So, and this one right here has a little note that she wrote for me in the box. My teacher wrote like a little letter inside that box, which I'm not gonna show it on camera, but it's a really nice note, you know. And I always, you know, read it here and there, and I actually want to cut it out and like frame it and put it somewhere in my craft room, but we'll see. I don't know, it's hard to just cut it out of the box, and I just don't want to damage it or anything, you know. It's pretty old and dusty, but I still have it. And then right here, guys, right here is where I keep all the glitters, as you can see right there. And I love this system for now. They don't have a cap, so you just shake out the glitter. They are up pretty high to where none of my kids can reach them, so that's a plus. So they have the shakers, they're up high, and they look pretty, which is important, right? They look pretty, and I can see every single color that I have in stock. So I'm never gonna run out, you know? So that, I love it. This is my favorite part of the closet, all right? Because I do use them a lot to make the epoxy cups. So that's right there. And I got them from Dollar Tree. Again, I don't know if I mentioned this, but most of the stuff that you will see in this closet, it's from Dollar Tree. Okay, guys? There's little 2 bins also from Dollar Tree. These plastic cups, I use them to mix my glues and epoxy stuff, you know, all that. Right here, shipping labels, stickers to package orders. And I just hung them up from a little clip right there, just like so. It looks so pretty. It's out of the way. In this box, I got the box from Marshall's, I think, but you can also find them at Family Dollar or Walmart also. But I keep my fox leathers to make bows. And then this little thing right here, I wanted it to look old, and that's why you see like some parts it's not like painted at all. But I have like small glitters, which, I mean, it's not much, not enough to put in one of the glass jars that I have. And then paints, which when I'm done with this, I'll buy more paints and put them up there. And see, it just spins. In this little corner, oh look, I still have this. A co-worker gave me this. She knows I love donuts. I still have it. Again, for packaging my orders, crayons for my kids, small bows, and then the jar in the back, it's empty. And there's a little bracelet. This is a little bracelet that I made right there. A picture of my baby. And down here, again, more stuff for packaging my orders. Fox leather, stuff to decorate, like party invitations, because I also do that. Here are some bows that I'm working on, and I'll show you some of them. See, they're not available for sale yet, but once I'm done with them, I will be selling them on my Facebook. Well, there you go. That, I just didn't know where to put that and it's like extra fabric, and that's all my paper. Well, that's like the pretty side of the closet, okay guys? Oh, I almost forgot. I have this little part right here, this little wall, and it's all my keychains. Some I've made. Okay, it's gonna get a little shaky, guys. All right, some keychains I've made, which is the elephant, the cow, the bear. This one is with my logo right there, Mel's Creations 18. So those I've made. The rest, because everybody that comes to my craft room, they ask me like, do you make them? Where do you buy them? Well, I get them made from Canada. I know this girl, and she makes the cutest keychains. She makes custom-made keychains with any character that you want. So that's that right there. Right here I have like all the keychain blanks that I have available for now, and stuff like other stuff for the keychains. I will be labeling this baskets also, and also got them from Dollar Tree. And then the ugly side of the closet, which is down here. Let me move this. Okay, this is the ugly side, alright guys? In this basket, I got it from Dollar Tree. And I just keep like photography and YouTube equipment, okay? This box, I don't know where to put it. I don't want to throw it away. I know. I don't want to throw it away. I know there's weird people like me out there that just like to collect boxes. So for now, it's gonna stay there until I figure out where to put it. And these are just some empty boxes, you know, that I have extra stuff in. And then that plastic box, also photography, YouTube equipment, and just more inventory, guys. But yeah, this is the closet. I really hope you But yeah, this is the closet. I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I really had a lot of fun making it for you. And I hope you get inspired and, you know, try and organize your own closet. There you go. Well, here it is, guys. Finally, we finished the closet. It took longer than I was expecting. I really didn't think it was gonna take this long. It's literally the next day. I finished doing this like very late, and I was just all sweaty and tired, and everybody's sleeping in the house, so I didn't want to wake them up and record this little part of the video. But this is what it looks like. I really like it, guys. Like, I had a lot of junk in here. Like, I had to throw a lot of junk in here, and I had to get rid of a lot of stuff that really I wasn't using. So now I can really see what I have and what I need to buy more of. The main thing that I really wanted to fix in my closet was the glitters, because I do have little kids, and he loves getting into everything, especially the glitters, and he dumps it all over the craft room, and it's just everywhere. So the little containers that it came with, you know, the glitters, they're so like big and different shapes, and I just had them like in a basket, and I didn't know what colors I had and all that. So now, as you can see, they're like in these little glass jars right here, and basically I just put a little sticker with my logo, and that's it, guys. That's all I did, and I can see every single color that I have, and it looks so beautiful. But that's the main thing that I was, you know, concerned about, let's say. Other than that, I mean, like I said, the top part is just inventory that I have, like for holidays and stuff. And then this little white bins right here, I will label them, but I mean, it's the same thing. It's just for packaging orders and stuff. I will be doing more changes, but for now, I'm happy with what I have. But definitely, I will try and, you know, label the bins and decorate it like really pretty. But for now, I'm happy. There's no more trash in here. Also, before I forget, please guys, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below if you like seeing this type of videos. I do have a lot in mind, but I'm going through a whole like remodeling my craft room. And comment down below if you like these types of videos or what else you would like for me to do, okay? Well guys, see you next time.